Welcome back to our channel One Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can unprivate a TikTok account. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, click on versus profile at the bottom right corner of your screen on TikTok after opening TikTok, and click on the three line at the top right corner over here. Once you click on it, this thing will open up. From over here, click on settings and privacy. Once you click on settings and privacy, over here the second option versus privacy, click on it. Now once you're over here at the top right corner versus private account, click on it and click on switch. Now if it is turned on, that means your account is no longer a private account, it's unprivated. Now remember, if your account is unprivate and anybody can see who you are following and how many numbers of followers you have, as well as they can like your video, see your video, comment on your video. Alright, so that's the feature of unprivating your TikTok account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.